Hello, this is Paul from Pine AI. In this video, I will show you how to leverage Pine AI to negotiate cable, internet, and mobile bills. I will go through entire process, including registering as a new user, fill up information, and delegate the task to Pine and get the job done, hassle-free. First things first, register with accurate information. Why? Because Pine needs this to work its magic with your service provider's customer support. Honesty here equals fewer hiccups later. Once you're in, you'll see a user-friendly ChatGPT-style interface. It's intuitive and offers handy prompts to help you get started. Don't like the first prompt? Refresh until you find one that matches your issue, or just type your own. For this demo, I'll keep it simple. I think I'm paying too much for my cable and want to lower my bill. Here's where you tell Pine about your subscription. Pro tip: upload your bill. It's faster and more accurate. Next, set your ideal bill amount. Be realistic. Asking for $50 off a $100 bill? Pine will gently guide you back to earth. In my case, I'm paying $230 to Xfinity each month. My goal? Knock $50 off to bring it down to $180. Pine might tweak this goal a bit to increase your chances using data from successful past negotiations. Pine will break down your current subscriptions. You'll decide what to keep, remove, or downgrade. Don't worry, Pine helps you balance cost and value. With your input, Pine dives into the fine print, like competitor offers and service agreements, to craft a negotiation strategy. This only takes a few seconds. Next, confirm the business and its customer service number. You'll also need to enter the last 4 digits of your credit card or checking account for authentication. Don't worry, it's secure and standard practice. Before launching the call, review all the details. Once you're ready, hit confirm. Pine will place the call instantly if it's during business hours, or schedule it for when they open. And now, the fun part. Pine handles the call while you chill. The process usually takes 20 to 45 minutes, including hold times and negotiations. When the call's done, Pine will notify you via email or web alert. You'll get a summary of the conversation and any follow-up steps. Sometimes service providers may email you directly to confirm adjustments or finalize the case. And that's it. With Pine AI, you're just a few clicks away from saving money without the stress of negotiating yourself. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let Pine do the heavy lifting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to save time and money. See you next time.